Hey, I appreciate for watching this video, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss any update. Let's take a look at Pltr Technologies. The trading symbol is PLTR. What does Pltr do? Pltr Technologies is a holding company which engaged in the development of data integration and software solutions. It operates through the commercial and government segments. The commercial segment offers services to clients in the private sector. The government segment provides solutions to the U.S. federal government and non-U.S. governments. It offers automotive, financial compliance, legal intelligence, mergers and acquisition solutions. Its products include Palantir Gotham and Palantir Foundry. Pltr has a market cap of over 50 billion. Average daily trading volume is at 64.45 million. This is the daily chart for Pltr, and the data I have is to about 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on August the 27th. Pltr has been trading sideways for over 5 months, from the beginning of March until just about now. The chart is forming nicely, and there is a very strong indications that Pltr is about to break out of this consolidation and explode to the upside. All right, let's take a quick look at some of these indicators. First, the moving averages. Red is the 10 days, white is the 50 days. Around the fourth week in February, the 10 days cross over and then drop below the 50 days. Normally, when you see a short-term average cross over and drop below a long-term average, that is a bearish indication. And that's what happened. After that, Pltr continued to retrace, drop all the way down to about $17, bounce up, and then we see the 10 days cross over and then lead the 50 days. That's a bullish indication, because after that, the price trending up. But then the minute it retested the prior high at about $27. Lots of selling pressure. Price retrace, found support at around 21 bucks, bounced back up, started trading over the 10 days moving average, and finally last week the 10 days again crossed over and now is leading the 50 days. And that is a very, very bullish sign. Along with the moving averages, the Bollinger Band, when Pltr was in consolidation, the Bollinger Band started to contract, and then about 2 weeks ago, the band get extremely tight. Normally, the Bollinger get really tight, and after that, we see an explosion either to the upside or to the downside. In this case, the price spiked up on huge volume. Then the band expanded. The volume is increasing. That is a strong indications that buyers are beginning to step in. Another very bullish sign is Pltr has been forming this very bullish inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. And this is the right shoulder. This is the neckline. And the whole pattern is taking about 5 months. So far, when the price is trending up, it is trending up on strong volume. And then we talk about the 10 days crossover and lead the 50 days, a very bullish indicator. So all likelihood is Pltr is in the process of trending up and eventually cross over the $27 to validate this bullish inverted head and shoulder pattern. And the target price for this breakout could take Pltr to about $34.50. Momentum could easily bring it to about $39, almost $40. However, one of the things is right now Pltr is still trading below this $27, which twice it get rejected. So there's no doubt the minute it retests the 27 bucks, there would be some resistance. But I do believe Pltr should be able to mount in a buying support and cross to the upside. This setup presents a very nice either swing trade or an option play. Let's talk about a swing trade. I would enter the position right at the market open, which is around $25. And if this pattern works out, my target price would be at around $34. Or the minute when I see the price starting to slow down and retrace, I would exit. That would be about 40% gain. Now, let's say if the pattern doesn't work out and somehow the price retrace rather than trending upward. The minute the price dropped below the 50 days moving average to about 23.50, that's when I would exit. For the option play, I would buy call options expiring in about a month. And the strike price, there are two strike price that I like. First one is right at the price of the stock, which is $25. Then the cost is about $1.31. Or I could go to the straight price of 26. That is only 85 cents. If Pltr runs up to, let's say, about $32 or $33, the price of this option definitely would increase by at least 3 or 4 times. My target to exit is whenever my options goes up by 3 times. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at vidmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.